Let's go. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Grown woman on my grill. I'm so in love with my Cadillac. Look at you, I'm a deal. I'm so in love with my Cadillac.
What up with you, YouTube? Man, it's been a long time. I ain't hollered at y'all, but I got a new project. I done got some videos, but I wasn't really speaking on it, doing some couple of things on this mug, getting it together. It's a 78 Cadillac. So I'm doing the fuel tank right now. I think I got rust in this tank. Don't look bad, but I guess I got something in there, but you kind of see the lines. Got some rust on them, like it's going in. So I'm finna replace this, put a new new tank on here. I already put a new pump on it, new filter in the carburetor, but I think that must stopped up again. So right now, just removing the lines, getting ready to drop this tank, put the new one up, and I'm trying to clean the lines out, flush them out at least, and see if I can get this thing crank on up. But as you see, I went on here and put a whole exhaust on here. Really not the whole thing, but the muffler. Did a straight pipe. I got a little hole in the floor right here. But other than that, man, it's 78 and we're clean. Just doing a couple of things, man, but I'll hit you back when I get this thing took a loose, get this tank dropped. Mug already got a tow hitch on it. It got a nice little bit of stuff on it, man, but it's my new project. Take these bands loose right here. They coming loose pretty easy, so mugs ain't really rusted out or nothing, man. This car been sitting for a minute. So I'll get back with you once I get this thing, down. Put a jack up under here, because I'm laying up under this mug, and I don't know how much gas I got in here. So we'll see. But I'll get back at you. Alright, YouTube, I'm right back at you. I got that tank out. Mug look pretty good, man. Change this. I'm gonna try to keep this in the unit. I got that loose. I might change the cap. Got a new one, so I ain't no need, since it's a new project, I might as well put a new tank on it. That's that new thing, fresh in the box. Fresh from old AutoZone. So, and I see what we'll be talking about, trying to use this camera and do something and do stuff with this one hand. But, hey man, so much go on. So, we got a new one, fresh. Got like a 3-year warranty on this thing, which I don't know why I'm worried about that. But it'll work. It'll do what I needed to do. Once I get it running, these lines cleared out. You know what I'm saying? Get this thing ready for the season. Because it is approaching very, very, very quickly. We're gonna put this over here. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Same one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going in the house.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna do that.
Alright, YouTube. Got them things out. Do a little comparison before I go through taking this in the unit out. But yeah, that thing nice, clean. And I let 3-year warranty, which, like I said, it don't even matter. Take this old one out, put the new one in. This is the car right here, though. So, I'm put this thing together. Get it ready. Ready for the road, for the summertime. Alright, I'm right back at you now. I looked at this dang on tank, man, but it don't look like there's too much going on in there. I can't really get up in there, but it don't look like there's a lot of rust in there. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's up at the front end. But I already got it down. You know what I'm saying? I got the new one. All sending unit is in, which is actually pretty decent, man. Like I said, look at these lines, bro. This don't even make sense. These lines normally don't look like this. These motors in good shape. So I thought I was gonna have to replace them. I don't. So now we got a new tank up under here. Gonna lay it back up under there. I'm gonna have to change the gas cap, but everything else is straight. Get up under here. Look pretty good under there. Gonna get this thing back up. And then see if I can get these lines cleared out. Get this thing cranked back up. Get some more gas. And get this thing running. See what we can do. Alright, I get back at you, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, I'm back at you. Got this thing in. Got her hooked up. All my lines, she tightened down. Now we got a new tank in here. So all I gotta do is get a gas cap. I'm gonna go get some gas. See if I can get this thing running. So we in. Brand new gas tank under the lat. I had to clean all this up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worrying about that, man. That's cosmetic. I'm gonna get this thing right and running. But yeah, I'll cut you back on, man, once I get this thing running. Yeah, she running. All we gotta do is put alternate on. Brakes on, put it on the road. Alright, I get it.